Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can connect Messenger with Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Messenger. So once you open Messenger, you simply need to click on three bars on the top left. Here you need to click on the gear icon. Then you simply need to scroll down, and in account center you simply need to click on see more in account center, and then you simply need to click on accounts, and here you can see add account option, and here you need to add your Instagram account. So here you can see that, and then you simply need to click on continue. So once you done that, your account will be added. As you can see that my Instagram is already added here. So this is the process by which you can connect your Messenger with your Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.